Hello everyone. Today we will solve a few very most important MCQs on Information Technology Act 2000. So, those who are preparing for All India Bar examination or any law competitive exams, this video lecture will be very helpful for you all. Hey everyone, my name is Sangeeta. Welcome back to this channel, Be Legally Aware. So, without any further delay, let's start today's session. Next question is our what section of IT Act deals with the hacking of computer system and its penalties? Very important question. Options are देखिए section 65, section 66, section 62 and section 67. Option will be option B. That means section 66 of the IT Act 2000 deals with the hacking of computer, hacking of computer systems and its penalties. So in this case, the correct option would be option B. That means section 66. So now moving to next question. Next question is, what is the punishment for hacking of computer? Very important question. What is the punishment for hacking of computers? Hacking of computers. So options are देखिए 3 years imprisonment or 10 lakh rupees. Okay, penalty or both. Option B, life imprisonment. Option C, 3 years imprisonment or 5 lakh rupees penalty or both. Okay, or both. Or option D, 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both. Okay, so in this case the correct option would be option C. That means the punishment for hacking of computers is 3 years imprisonment or 5 years or 5 lakhs rupees penalty or both. That means 3 years पनिशमेंट भी हो सकता है और 5 लाख रुपीज का पेनल्टी भी हो सकता है और बोथ भी हो सकता है. तीनों के तीनों ऑप्शन है. ठीक है. सो इन दिस केस द करेक्ट ऑप्शन वुड बी ऑप्शन सी. ओके, सो नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question. Next question is our, what section of IT Act deals with the cyber terrorism? Very important question. Options are देखिए section 66C, section 66B, section 66F and section 66A. So in this case the correct option would be section 66F of the IT Act deals with what? Cyber terrorism. So in this case option C would be the correct answer. Okay, so now on to next question. Next question is about, which section of IT Act was invalidated by the Supreme Court of India? Options are section 66F, section 66B, section 66D and section 66A. So in this case the correct option would be option D. That means section 66A of the IT Act was invalidated by the Supreme Court of India. 66A को invalid घोषित कर दिया गया था. ठीक है. So in this case option D would be the correct answer. Okay, so now into next question. Next question is about the date on which Supreme Court of India invalidated section 66A of IT Act 2000. ऑप्शंस आर देखिए 24 मार्च 2015, 31 मार्च 2015, 1 January 2015 and 1 June 2015. So in this case the correct option would be option A. That means on 24th March 2015 the Supreme Court of India invalidated section 66A of the IT Act. So in this case the correct option would be option A. Okay, so now on to next question. Next question is, what is the penalty for publishing images of persons' private parts? Very important question and without consent as per the IT Act 2000. Okay, that means what is the penalty for publishing images of persons' private parts without consent of the IT Act? So in this case, so options are 5 years imprisonment or 5 lakhs penalty or both, life imprisonment, 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both or none of the above. So in this case the correct option would be option C. That means 3 years punishment or 2 lakhs rupees as penalty or both. That means अगर penalty for the for publishing images of any person's private part without that person's consent, then the punishment is 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakhs rupees as penalty or both. So in this case option C would be the correct answer. Okay, so now on to next question. What is the punishment for identity theft in IT Act? है options are देखिए 2 years imprisonment or 1 lakh rupees penalty or both. Option B, 3 years imprisonment or 1 lakh rupees penalty or both, and 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both or none of the above. So in this case the correct option would be option B. That means the punishment for identity theft, the punishment for identity theft in IT Act is 3 years imprisonment or 1 lakh rupees as penalty or both. So in this case option B would be the correct answer. Okay, so now moving to next question. Next question is, what is the penalty for destroying computer source code? Okay, options are देखिए 3 years imprisonment or 3 lakh rupees penalty or both. 2 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both. 3 years imprisonment, 5 lakh rupees penalty or both, or 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both. So in this case the correct option would be 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees as penalty or both. That means अगर कोई भी एक पर्सन कंप्यूटर सोर्स को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं देन एज पर द आईटी एक्ट पनिशमेंट है 3 ईयर इम्प्रिजनमेंट भी हो सकता है और 2 लाख रुपीस का पेनल्टी भी हो सकता है और बोथ भी हो सकता है. सो इन दिस केस ऑप्शन डी वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, सो नाउ टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question is about what are the sections of IT Act applicable for cyber pornography? Okay, options are देखिए section 66, 66A and 66B. Option B section 67, section 67A and section 67B. Option C section 67, 67C, 67D. None of the above. So in this case, the correct answer would be option B. That means section 67, section 67A and section 67B of the IT Act applicable for cyber pornography. So in this case the correct option would be option B. Okay, so now into next question. Next question is about what sections of IT Act deals with the child pornography. Okay, options are देखिए section 67F, section 67D, section 67C and section 67B. So in this case the correct option would be section 67B. That means section 67B of the IT Act 2000 deals with the child pornography. Okay, so in this case the correct option would be option D. Okay, so now into next question. Next question is about what is the maximum penalty for damage to computer system, unauthorized access, download of data, infecting with virus, denial or access etc. as per the section 43 of the IT Act. Options are देखिए option है 50 lakh rupees, rupees 1 crore, rupees 5 crore and rupees 75 lakh. So in this case the correct option would be option B. That means 1 crore rupees. So in this case option B would be the correct answer. Okay, so next question is about which section of the IT Act 2000 propose a punishment for life imprisonment. Options are देखिए section 66F, section 66C, section 66B and section 66A. So in this case the correct option would be option A. That means section 66F of the IT Act 2000 proposes the punishment for the life imprisonment. So in this case the correct option would be option A. Okay, so now into next question. Next question is which are the section of the IT Act deals with the credit card fraud? Very important sections. Very important question. Options are देखिए section 62, 67, 67A and 67B. Option B section 66, 66C, 66D, 43, 66, 66C and 66D and none of the above. So in this case the correct option would be option C. Okay, then option C would be the correct answer. That means section 43, 66, 66C and 66D of the IT Act deals with the credit card fraud. Okay, so now into next question. Which of the following is an example of intellectual property? Options are देखिए patent, trademark, copyright, all of the above. So in this case the correct option would be option D. That means all of the above. That means patent, trademark and copyright all are the examples of intellectual property. Very important question. So in this case the correct option would be option D. Okay, so now into next question. Next question is what is the time limit for filing appeal against the order of cyber appellate tribunal? Options are options are 30 days, 90 days, 60 days and 45 days. So in this case the correct option would be option C. That means 60 days. Okay, option would be option C. That means within 60 days an appeal can be filed, okay, against the order of the cyber appellate tribunal. So now into next question. The appeal court on orders issued by the cyber appellate tribunal. So options are देखिए municipal court, district court, high court and supreme court. So in this case the correct option would be option C. That means the high court. That means high court is the court where appeal can be filed against the order issued by the cyber appellate tribunal. So in this case option C would be the correct answer. Okay, so now into next question and this is the last question. Okay. See, what is the term of office of the presiding officer of the cyber appellate tribunal? Okay, options are देखिए uh, 3 years, option B 4 years and option D 5 years. Okay, of 5 years. So in this case, the correct option will be option D. Okay, that means 5 years. Okay, that means term of the office of the presiding officer of the cyber appellate tribunal is 5 years. So in this case, option D would be the correct answer. Okay, so this is for all today. If you like this lecture, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.